It's Monday, January 28th, but it's really more like 2 days in one. I'm Jeff Jower.
And I'm Rick Levine. It is like 2 days in one because the moon changes signs. But it's interesting that in both days we have a moon opposition as kind of a primary, aspect. The moon, our feelings, is opposing something else or someone else.
Right, and there is some similarity in the pairs. That is to say, the moon is in fiery Leo today, much of the day, and it opposes Mars, a pretty fiery planet. It's in Aquarius, which isn't fiery, but that tends to heat us up during the day. But then this evening, when the moon goes into careful Virgo, its own opposition is a very different story.
That's right, because once it goes into Virgo, it opposes nebulous Neptune. And even though the moon in Virgo wants to know what's going on, it wants to categorize things, everything nice and neat in its place. The moon in Virgo wants emotions to be clean. And yet the opposition to Neptune says every time I meet up with someone, every time I have an interaction, the cleanliness that I have inside my head it gets all murky. It's muddied.
Absolutely, but that cleanliness or clarity of the moon in Virgo can also be a kind of narrowness. Neptune at its best is about forgiveness. And what this reminds us is if we don't try to control things too narrowly, we might be able to receive some inspiration, some compassion or support from the outside that we wouldn't otherwise get. I'm Jeff Jower.
And I'm Rick Levine, inviting you to join us here on Planet Pulse every day of the week.